welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited today as today is our farewell day, so I'm gonna vlog for today's program. Okay, by the way, let me tell you a bit from when I joined in Sacred Heart Boys Higher Secondary School. I joined from class 11 in 2020 during the pandemic time, and I completed my 12 in this 2022. And I'm so grateful to the entire school, right from our principal, vice principal, teachers, staff, and all my schoolmates. Yeah. Okay, I'll not talk much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching the entire video.
You should not stagnate. You should not give up. You should not give up. You should keep on moving. Remember, you waded through, you swam through these 2.5 years. So the main thing is that you move on, keep on moving on forward. With patience, even the 2 snails, they could reach the ark, Noah's ark, with patience.
Come on, ba.
Hello guys, this is my friend. His name is Chibor, and he started to make YouTube videos now. So I hope you support him. Hope you like his videos, and thank you. Do support him, guys. He's a very good guy, and thank you.
Thank bro. Thank you, bro. Then Don.
Subscribe, like, hit subscribe button, please.
Thank you, John. And another one, Ramdor. Come on, Ramdor. Just say a few words.
Harap lang ni vlog juga, akan som. Finbase video ini dong subscribe ini.
Som mungkin.
Kamat som ni, wah subscribe like ini. Pin sababe ada film subscribe.
Deh.
Tolong beri bersepa, kayaknya.
Tang barang.
Yeah, we are meeting since last year. So I didn't know him from last year, but I knew him just today only.
Just now.
Today only, nah? Not just now. So just like, share, comments, help him so that he can be
Can be a popular YouTuber or maybe
popular YouTuber. And then thank you, no?
Tahu perlu mutapat sagili di blog mungkin tema di kelas juga mungkin sebuah orang sekitar akan nak benta seni kau blogs jongi di prize division de jongi sehat yang pedok gini.
Please like
tu pasal.
Please do like, share, subscribe this channel and support him.
Thank you. Ini Pak.
Do support him. Like.
Tahu lah biang. Tahu tanggi ni perlu di blog penteru tanggi bisa tangkan ni. Bun di bala lek sini mah. Maru dilakukan pelataran. Hoi, ini saya kendo aku ipat ke sini. Tangga ni, beli cibon.